Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Speak English Daily with us. Today, we're going to teach you the present simple tense with 50 must-know sentences. This is the most essential tense in English. If we don't master it, we'll never feel truly fluent. In this video, we'll cover 5 main areas. First, daily habits. Second, likes and dislikes. Third, personal information and jobs. Fourth, work and general actions. And finally, facts and nature. For this tense, we usually use the base verb, but remember to add an s or es for he, she, or it. We'll use contractions like I'm and I don't, so we can sound more like a native speaker. This is how English is spoken naturally in real life. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence after me. Let's get started. First, let's practice the present simple for daily habits. I wake up at 6 every morning. I wake up at 6 every morning. I drink a hot cup of coffee. I drink a hot cup of coffee. I don't eat breakfast at home. I don't eat breakfast at home. I take the bus to the office. I take the bus to the office. I read the news on my phone. I read the news on my phone. I start work at 9 o'clock. I start work at 9 o'clock. I don't work on weekends anymore. I don't work on weekends anymore. I exercise at the local gym every day. I exercise at the local gym every day. I walk my dog in the park. I walk my dog in the park. I go to bed before midnight. I go to bed before midnight. Next, let's practice the present simple for likes and dislikes. I love listening to American rock music. I love listening to American rock music. I don't like watching horror movies. I don't like watching horror movies. I enjoy playing football with my friends. I enjoy playing football with my friends. I don't eat meat on Fridays. I don't eat meat on Fridays. I like drinking tea with some milk. I like drinking tea with some milk. I want to travel to Canada soon. I want to travel to Canada soon. I don't mind cold winter weather. I don't mind cold winter weather. I prefer coffee over green tea. I prefer coffee over green tea. I don't play video games at night. I don't play video games at night. I love reading books about world history. I love reading books about world history. Next, let's practice the present simple for personal information and jobs. I'm a teacher at a big school. I'm a teacher at a big school. I don't live in a small apartment. I don't live in a small apartment. I work as a doctor in London. I work as a doctor in London. I'm a student at a college in New York. I'm a student at a college in New York. I don't speak Spanish or French. I don't speak Spanish or French. I'm very happy with my new job. I'm very happy with my new job. I have a brother in San Francisco. I have a brother in San Francisco. I'm from a small town in Texas. I'm from a small town in Texas. I don't own a car in this city. I don't own a car in this city. I'm ready for the morning meeting now. I'm ready for the morning meeting now. Next, let's practice the present simple for work and general actions. The store opens at 8 every day. The store opens at 8 every day. The train leaves at 7 in the morning. The train leaves at 7 in the morning. My boss travels to London every month. My boss travels to London every month. We don't have a meeting on Monday. We don't have a meeting on Monday. She teaches English at a big school. She teaches English at a big school. They sell fresh fruit at the market. They sell fresh fruit at the market. I check my email every hour. I check my email every hour. The museum closes on Tuesday nights. The museum closes on Tuesday nights. It's time for our lunch break now. It's time for our lunch break now. We visit our friends in Canada every year. We visit our friends in Canada every year. Finally, let's practice the present simple for facts and nature. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. It rains a lot in Seattle. It rains a lot in Seattle. Snow falls in the mountains in winter. Snow falls in the mountains in winter. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The earth goes around the sun. The earth goes around the sun. Cats don't like to swim. Cats don't like to swim. He doesn't eat spicy food at all. He doesn't eat spicy food at all. She lives in a house near London. She lives in a house near London. It's very cold at the North Pole. It's very cold at the North Pole. Bees make honey in the summer. Bees make honey in the summer. Excellent work! You finished 50 must-know sentences with the present simple. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.